Welcome back, Chain Gang, and this is part one of our review of Royalton CHIC Cancun. In videos after this, we'll cover the partying, as you can certainly see here, because this is a resort that fancies itself as having a combination of great partying and also high-end food. So we will be covering all of the restaurants in depth in later videos. You can see the surf and turf here. In addition to that, we will explore whether the Diamond Club is worth paying for, whether the parties are worth it. We will show you casino night. And after that, we will cover a little bit of a travel nightmare that we experienced. And in fact, the other thing, as you can see, this crazy part of the plane trip, we will cover the pharmacies in Cancun where you can get literally any drug whatsoever with no prescription. But of course, Cancun is absolutely beautiful. So in this video, we will be covering views like this one from above. We will be covering the views from the hotel and from your room. We will give you a tour of the room and a tour of the resort and the fitness center, and we will discuss what we feel can be improved in this resort. So sit back and enjoy part one.
So over here is where the regular registration desk is, and if you're a Diamond Club member, you're going to go this way for your check-in. And this is the Diamond Lounge. Right this way. The reception desk is here, and then there are drinks and snacks over in this area.
We'll show you how to connect the Wi-Fi.
We've got some breakfast sandwiches, some yogurt, some salads, and some pastries.
But this isn't just for check-in, right?
This is not just for check-in. It's anytime you want to come by the Diamond Club for a little treat. If you need a little something, something. We were here last night to get some drinks before we went out. So there are some liquors in the Diamond Club Lounge, such as Hendrick's Gin, that you can only get in there on the property. So if you would like something, some top-level liquors, that's going to be where you want to go. And if you need an ATM to get cash while you're here, they're right next to the Diamond Lounge sign. Let's go. Hi, good morning. Buenos dias. Good morning. So that was the welcome drink that I just referenced. And he's the bartender who makes that for you. So this is one of the bars where people hang out here. It's on the main level to the left of the reception area. And this is where we got our shots before we went back to get our welcome drinks at the front door. You can see some of the choices here. And then in a minute, we're going to take you upstairs and show you another bar. So this is also the bar that's closest to the exit where the shows are each night. We are one level up now, and this is another bar where the after parties take place right here. And if you want to go to the sports lounge, that's going to be to the right of this bar. And if you want to go to the steakhouse, it's going to be to the left of the bar.
We ate at the steakhouse, which is called Hunter, and we ate there last night, and it was very, very good. What I would recommend to you is to not choose between the filet mignon and the salmon, to get both, because they will bring it to you. If you're Diamond Club, it's no extra charge.
This is the bar that's called the Taboo Lounge. Up here ahead of us, you'll find the Asian restaurant. It's called Chopsticks. Okay, so we're ready to do our room reveal at the Royalton CHIC in Cancun, and let's go.
So we are in the... Oh, wow! Isn't this nice?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know whether you can read that. Happy anniversary. Today is our wedding anniversary.
So, like a lot of hotels, we don't have a room key. We have a bracelet. Don't lose your bracelet because it will cost $95 to replace this. This is your key, and it's also how they know which tier. We decided to do the Diamond Club this time since it's our anniversary, which is an upgrade. So we have access to some things that we wouldn't otherwise, but they know that based on the bracelet. So let's see what the room looks like.
Now, we did see something online of a guy complaining he spent $1,000 extra to get Diamond Club, and there were some advantages, but it wasn't worth it. You know, you need to shop around. We only spent $147 each to get Diamond Club. I think you'll find it'll be worth it.
So here are the closets. There's a safe. Looks pretty standard. There's a steamer. I love that. Love the steamer because I'm sure that, oh, they already brought our bags up too.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm sure what's in those bags is all wrinkled, so the steamer will come in handy.
And what's up with those slippers?
There's some slippers. There's extra pillow.
You know that's going under my knees.
I know where that's going. This side, it looks like we've got bathrobes. Let me put my bag down. Dry cleaning service, bathrobes, and umbrella if it rains. My experience in Cancun is that when it rains, it's usually in the afternoons and it's usually pretty quick. We've been here a lot of times at a lot of different times of year, and that's just it. They do have hair dryers.
She loves the dual vanity because she thinks I'm very messy, so we each get our own sink.
Incredibly messy.
I don't know all that.
Here's the loo. The loo for you.
This is where you go poop. I think it's a fancy thing she's trying to say.
Sure. And then this is where you wash your nasty body.
You know, say in the comments, I know rainfall, waterfall, whatever they're called, showers are fancy, but I don't love them.
He likes the pressure.
Unless they have one of these.
Oh, yeah, I think one of our previous videos mentions
you know what that's for.
The butt washer.
Certain things you cannot wash with the waterfall. Okay.
Okay, and as Jim said, we have the double vanity. There's water. There's a scale. Nobody needs that on vacation.
That needs to be tossed.
Scale is going to go out in the hallway. Looks like we have a desk area here, a nice, relaxing living room in the suite.
We should explain what we got was the sunset view suite.
We have a TV with room service, entertainment, level 18. That's where the party is. The spa, you can make probably reservations for the spa there. I don't know what enhance your stay is, but we'll let you know maybe a little bit later on that. So let's keep going this way. Oh, look what they did to the bed.
30th anniversary balloons. That's cool. They do ask you if it's a special occasion. I guess they try to make it special. We'll see the rest of our trip here. Outlets and stuff on both sides.
Now this is a corner room, so let's go check out what the view is. We are at this hotel, the beach and the pool are all where the side that we just came from the door. So we're actually facing the bay, but then because this is like a peninsula, we're kind of at almost the tip of the
Well, let's go out there because the lighting is real bad in here.
It's the bay, and then you can see the ocean beyond that, but that's not the part of the ocean that is this a.
So all of the rooms have a view of the water. It is either the sunrise ocean view or the sunset. I guess you'd call this lagoon view, but you get to see the water.
Yeah, but beyond the lagoon is the ocean. It's where it curves around.
That's right. So you still get the ocean if you get the sunset view, but you also get the sunset. And if you finagle the corner Diamond Club
I got the view. I got the view of the ocean. So we get sunrise and sunset. Love it.
Sunrise,
Thank you, Royalton CHIC.
Yay! And we have a nice balcony here we can sit on.
Oh, and also, look what we have. We have a view of the party. So every night there are shows and parties down here, dance parties, but the staff puts on entertainment shows which happen on this stage. So if we're too tired to be down there, we want to order room service and just have our drinks up here and enjoy the show. Maybe one night we'll do that if it's been a long day at the pool and the activities at the pool.
Okay, there are some other things I want to point out from the hotel room balcony. What you see here is one of the many buses along the strip, and you'll see many other in this short clip. From a lot of resorts, it is very inconvenient to leave the resort and do other activities. That is not the case with Royalton CHIC. The bus traffic is constant, and it can take you to almost everything within the vicinity. And as you will see on a video we're going to post later about going downtown and the ins and outs of the pharmacies in Cancun, it is actually walkable. Also, the crew meeting. This hotel has some of the best, if not the best, customer service I have ever seen at a Cancun resort. And these meetings don't surprise me. Everybody gets on the same page. That's the end. It's breaking up. But it's the kind of thing good hotels do. The only thing I really feel like they do bad is the elevator situation. What you're looking at now is a directory of everything that's on every floor, but there is one big complaint with the elevators that you will hear a lot. We've seen a lot of videos that have complained about how long it takes the elevators, but none of them have explained why. When you hit the down arrow, only these elevators light up. You have to go and hit the other side to summon the other elevator. Now the problem with that is not that it takes another second to do that. The problem with that is that everybody has to do that. So when you're taking the elevator, you're gonna have a lot of instances where the doors open and nobody's there because the other side of the elevators got them. And that's very time consuming. So I don't understand why, if they had you hit one button and it brought all of them up, we wouldn't have so many unnecessary elevator openings that delay the amount of time. So we'll see how this works. But obviously we've been filming this entire thing and there's 5 elevators and they're still not here. So that should open. There we go. Okay, also I want to show some shots from nighttime. It's very beautiful at night. As you can see, a lot of people take selfies. Angie made me take this one. I know you don't want to see this. You want to see this. She looks great. And also one night they brought us a champagne bottle for our anniversary. Okay.
I am ready. Are you ready?
I don't know whether I'm ready, so...
Point that away from me.
It's our first night here. We're exhausted, but they have been very, very generous for our anniversary. Wonderful decorations on the front door, balloons on the bed. They gave us a special dessert at dinner, and they brought by champagne. So we've had some funny videos in the past. unintentionally funny.
That way.
Okay. So champagne popping, but we're gonna do it.
Popping bottles.
Fortunately, we wouldn't be able to do this, but as you can see, it is Monday and there was nobody at karaoke.
Hold on.
This is the karaoke 8 to 9.
You would be down there if they had it going on.
That's right. I was going to do gin and juice, but there's nobody in the audience, so I'm going to save it. Let's see what we can do here.
Oh! Did you hit anybody? Nope, no. Good job, honey.
Happy anniversary, my love. Let's go ahead and drink this. And then we're also going to do a fruit tart with it.
Yeah, we got a fruit tart.
And we'll show you that before we sign off for the night. If you do not want to see the rest of this evening, the little fruit tart from the bakery that has the coffee and croissants in the morning.
Sort of looks like Vegas from this angle. And then one last treat, which is Angie eating Royal tarts.
So if you want to get any massages or facials, anything like that, the spa is here. And it is located on the bottommost floor. So when you're in the elevator, you're going to hit -1. Not 1, not mezzanine, any of that. -1.
All right. Okay, another thing that I don't think is great is that part of the Diamond package is supposed to be a $600 resort credit, which we were planning on using at the spa, which is why we showed you the menu. The $600 resort credit is the worst thing about the Diamond package because it is not a $600 credit. It is $600 worth of coupons, and you would have to use every single offer to get your $600. But you do get a free hydrotherapy session, so we're showing you that. Apparently it is $60 if you do not have a free thing. I would not pay that, and here's why. It looks very cool, but there are no jets that go on the lower back, which is my favorite part of hydrotherapy. This, I would say, is the best part of hydrotherapy.
We're in the fitness center now, and you can see they've got quite a bit of machines here. We've got some weights. We've got some personal training going on. It's right on the ocean, so you cannot beat the view to work out in the morning here, or whenever you like to work out. We've got the treadmills on this side for cardio, some, looks like Stairmasters, and then some free weights back in the corner. Thank you. So, is that personal trainer?
That's yoga class,
Okay.
Zumba class.
Oh, okay.
We are open to 6 to 9 p.m. every day.
Okay. So the Zumba's in the pool?
Yeah, in the pool.
Oh, nice.
Okay, as we bring part 1 of the Royalton CHIC videos to a close, I'm showing you the Diamond Pool. And I also heard one vlogger say there was no jacuzzi. There actually is a jacuzzi, it's this, but once again, no jets of any significance that go on the lower back. So stay tuned for our further videos of the party scene, which takes place mostly on level 18, and we will also cover the restaurants and a bunch of other things you need to know.